Insurance Guru. My name is Ayanda Malele, and thank you so much for tuning in once again to hear me talk about our favorite subject, insurance. But today it's not just insurance. We have a beautiful lady in the industry, I would say an influencer of note within the insurance sector. Her name is Heidi Dias, and she sits on many boards in the industry, has advised, counseled, and is all about women empowerment. I'd like you to welcome her on today's episode. Heidi, thank you so much for joining us. How are you?
Hi, Ayanda. Very well, thank you.
Thank you so much for allowing us first into your beautiful home and also allowing us to ask you a couple of questions about yourself and your role in this sector.
Well, thanks for having me.
So Heidi, tell me, how did you get started in this industry?
So I started in insurance in the finance department. Through absolute focus, hard work, studying and perseverance, I became the first woman branch accountant, which took approximately 8 years. Over the next 12 years, I went from head of shared services to head of procurement to general manager claims, claims executive to distribution and marketing executive. And I was deeply involved in various industry bodies. I also served in responsible roles as an executive, as an independent board member, and at times as an advisor for over 2 decades. Since 2017, I served on the IISA Board, and I am currently the chairperson of the IISA Social Ethics Committee.
Why did you join the Insurance Institute of South Africa?
I joined the IISA because of acquiring a professional designation. I'm an associate member, as I mentioned. I joined because of collegiality, because the people in IISA understand you. They mentor you, they can coach you, they can support you, can network with you, and even steer you, because the progression of a professional through their career can be very lonely. So, what does the IISA give you? Is a community who you can lean on, you can learn from, and contribute to. It gives you a sense of belonging, a sense of identity. It supports you in being a professional, and the IISA is in the best position in the industry. The IISA is there to promote professionalism.
With such an increase in women signing up for the IISA membership, what do you think that means for IISA and the industry in particular?
What does it mean for the insurance industry, Ayanda, is on the importance or the relevance of being a professional accredited by the IISA. In my experience, the insurance industry has been male-dominated, and through empowerment, there are various programs run by IISA for women. So there's an opportunity for women to empower themselves.
Do you have anything you could say, not only for the female within the sector, but for the little girl that's watching this as well?
So the message is, never been a greater time of opportunity for women to be themselves, to be heard, to be supported, and to thrive. It's never been a better time for women to succeed. And that doesn't mean their success without effort and pain. But I think the opportunity for women to succeed in a chosen line of business is better than it's ever been, because there's been an admitted drive to inclusivity, because we're seeing the impact of that drive in terms of diversity in management and leadership, the diversity in graduate programs, the diversity in all the way through the workforce. And so the more diverse the economy, the better the opportunity for leadership through diversity and inclusivity. Women need to change the narrative. We as women live in a world with lots of bias that exists, and it's our responsibility as women to rewrite our narrative. To get rid of that bias in the society, we have to make ourselves heard. So to the women out there, you can. The answer is Yes, you can achieve. You don't have to be silent. Believe in yourself. It's your time to shine. The only thing that's stopping you is your will. So go and rewrite your own narrative. Go do it.
Well, there you have it. Thank you so much to Heidi Dias for giving us great information about her career and how you could catapult your career going forward, and also all the information she's given us about the IISA and what they are willing to do for development. So if you want to follow her, I will share her Twitter profile on the comments down below, as well as the IISA website, so you can go and sign up and get your membership. From my side, it's been great. I hope you tell all your cousins to come and subscribe to this channel. If you did like this video, also click like. I will see you in the next video. Thank you and goodbye.